Sarah stitched with some beach, there's knots free at the edges, all crested on a bass compass. No fixed coordinates or weather postcard stuck to the cabin wall. Fading incomes of a show we can't recall. Horizon birds are boomies, boom back catches in arch between waves and the sky. No clock to count the hours we lose, just the slow swing of the tide passing by.
We drift through the warm winds, through endless skies and seas. Nostalgia lasts around like a soft warm shawl. Quiet wanderlust, our only call. We float where the currents flow. No destination, no need to stall.
Warm echoes of days that used to be, carried on the breeze, wild and free.
Seagull shadows stretch across the deck. A guitar string hums a half-remembered tune. Sweet tones weave through the mist, light and flicked. Every wave a note, every gust a moon.
Sarah stitched with some beach, there's knots free at the edges, all crested on a bass compass. No fixed coordinates or weather postcard stuck to the cabin wall. Fading incomes of a show we can't recall. Horizon birds are boomies, boom back catches in arch between waves and the sky. No clock to count the hours we lose, just the slow swing of the tide